Here it is. Okay, hi everybody. So today I'm gonna do a video about nails, fake nails. I've been watching all these videos of people doing these nails from like the dollar store. So my daughter and I, we've been getting our nails done, the acrylic nails at the nail salon, ages. So you sit there for an hour and a half getting your nails done. It's $30-$40 a pop every 2 weeks. You got to go back for your fill-ins. And we were getting was it the gel? The gel nail polish, so it like dries really fast. And then there's a lot of work to just draw all that off, and it's just blah, 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 blah. So I was watching this video where these ladies were getting the nails from the dollar store, and I see them all the time at the Dollar Tree. So I was like, why not try it, right? Because all I love is letting my nails take a break and blah 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 blah. So I tried a pair of the dollar nails. These are the ones right here that I tried. They are like the natural little tip, and they have the camera, and they got these little polka dots at the top. Anyways, so I had tried these. I don't have them on now. I took my set off, but they were really, really, really pretty. So I decided I'm going to show you how it's done on my guinea pig here, my daughter. But before I do that, I'm going to insert a small little video of day 3 when I was wearing my nails. And mind you, I work in a factory. I work on 7 different machines, wrenching, ratcheting, all that good stuff. And those nails lasted for 8 days. I had 2 of them pop off in that 8 days, and I literally had 4 left today that I had to pry off. I mean, that's how good these nails worked for me. And so we're talking $1, 8 days. So that got me hooked. So I have tons to show you and lots to squeeze in this next 20 minutes. So hold on, and I'm going to put that little excerpt in there, that what my nails looked like on day 3 with my Dollar Tree nails.
Okay, so it's day 3, and I finally have one that is starting to come off. It is my ring finger, and it did not start coming off until I took a bath. So I'm going to fix this one since I bought several packs, being that they're only $1. So I have several to be able to replace them. Now, like I said, it's day 3. I've been very rough with them because I work in a factory, and I'm surprised that they even stay on this long. I mean, honestly. And so really, I only have one that's coming off, and I just noticed it after I got out of my bath. I soaked in the tub, but you can see that it's working. Let me get some focus here. Anyhow, so I'm going to pop this off. It came off nice and easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buff the glue that's on there off. Just lightly buff it. It looks like my cuticles are still okay from when I did my original prep from 3 days ago. So I'm just going to buff the glue off and then clean the debris off. There's a little bit of alcohol on this. Rubbing alcohol on here, get all the debris off. Then make sure it's nice and dry. So here's the old one. And here's the new one. So I'm just going to put the glue, little dot of glue there, just a small dot. I'm going to set this down and then put some glue on here. Now I normally use a brush on glue, but it's in my little emergency kit. So right now I'm just using this kiss glue. So I'm making sure my nail is nice and covered. I'm going to take the nail, slide it down to my cuticle, make sure it's nice and hold it tight. My camera just will not focus. I don't know what to do here. Hold it for like 20 seconds. And voila, back in business. Got a little bit of glue on my outer corners there, but back in business. So we'll see how much longer, because the rest of them look really good. Yeah, the rest of them look really good. Okay, that's it. Day 3, only one popped off.
Alright, so these are the nails that we've picked out. They are the Kiss brand, the acrylic nudes, and they're in the length medium. You can see the length up here. There are several different sizes. We chose the medium for Brooke. And they are 28 nails. It says better than salon nails. So we will see about that.
Okay, and so in the pack you get a little file and a small little cuticle push stick. It's the wooden one. And then in the kit you get the 28 nails, and they are gracious enough to give you the glue. Okay, so for prepping your nails, the first thing you want to do is maybe push all your cuticles back. If your cuticles are a little too tough, then you'll need to soak them in some warm water until they are loosened up and soft, and then you can push your cuticles back. After you push your cuticles back, you will want to use one of these buffers, which I picked up at the dollar store, at the Dollar Tree for $1, and you will want to lightly buff up your nails to make sure that you have no ridges or bumps or any glue left. You see she had acrylics on prior, so we want to make sure that we have these all buffed up a little bit. Get them nice and buffed. And last but not least, the thumb. Alright, so after you have them all buffed up, you'll want to take some isopropanol alcohol, which I also picked up at the Dollar Tree for $1. And I just used one of these little pads that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree. You can get a whole roll of these. Yeah, that doesn't want to open. So we're just going to get the little pad, put some alcohol on it. And then we are going to clean off the debris from the nails, which is from buffing. And it also helps get the natural oils off of your nails so that when you use your glue, it adheres to your nail better. So, now we have taken the nails and we have selected each nail that we're going to use. You know, the thumb and your pointer finger, blah, 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 down to your pinky. And we have them set up and we will go ahead and get started. Now, this is the glue that they gave, which I'm pretty sure it's a good glue, but I have something that I'm going to do with this in a little while, and I prefer to use this glue here, which is a brush-on glue. I happen to like that a little bit better. But we will not get rid of this. I have a little trick to show you with this glue when we are done. So let's start with the thumb. So what I'm going to do is take the glue. I am going to actually put a little swipe of the glue on the nail, right here, just a little bit. And just let that sit there while I paint the rest of the glue, like nail polish, just right on her nail. Just paint that right on there. Okay? Now make sure that you keep your little thing right by you that you used with the isonol propanol, because when you put the nail on, you might get a little bit of glue seepage around the edges, and you can just use this and wipe it. So now we're going to take the nail. You want to make sure that you go kind of like a swooping down angle toward the cuticles. You want to make sure you had a nice fit. The closer to the cuticle you can get, the more realistic it looks, and you are going to hold for 20 full seconds, nice and tight. Press that baby on there. Okay, then you want to hold it on the sides to make sure you got it nice and tight with no bubbles. You want to hold it nice and firm. Another 20 seconds. And then, like I said, if you got any glue, you just want to wipe it. Let's see here. Now, I don't know if that's from me. I see a little bubble there, but so there's the thumb. You want to make sure you get a really good fit on the sides. I think that's the key point. Okay, moving on to the next one. So, let's flip this nail over, put a little bit of glue here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go through the whole video, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like.
Okay, so we are done, and this is the final product, and here's how they look. So they look pretty good to me. They have a slight little divot on the top where you can just use your nail file and just lightly make sure that the little divot on the top is filed down, and then there's a little divot right here. It's not bad, just a tiny little divot. Do that on each of them, and that is it. These should last a week. And I have some tips and tricks for you that you can do. So let's go back to this little glue right here. What you can do is get a pill bottle, an empty pill bottle, and make that your little nail emergency kit. So what I've done here is I've got nail clippers, the glue, of course. I took a nail file and cut it in half so that it fits in there perfect. And then, of course, you want to take your spare nails and drop some of your spare nails down inside there, just in case you pop one off and you're in public and you lose your nail. Now, if your nail just comes loose, you can just drop a little glue under there and press it back down. But if your nail pops off, you're going to want to have some spares. So you have your spares in there, your glue, your nail clippers, and a little file. And this is what you're going to want to throw in your purse, your little emergency kit. Anyways, I have a couple of other little ideas for nails. If you're really into doing these type of nails, I have some storage ideas for you. Okay, we are back. We have the nails all done, all 10 nails done. So my little model here, Brooke, is going to show you the final, oops, up here. So, you like them too, don't you? Because you give you good scratches, huh? So, the camera's not really picking them up, but... yeah, check it out. They can't even barely... oh, they're there. Okay, yep. So yeah, these like are really, really nice, and they should last a good. They should last a full week, but like I said, you always want to carry like a little spare set around with some glue in case you pop one off, and always have a couple of spares, because the last thing you want to do is pop one off and not have a way to fix it, and you're running around with like one nail gone. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you some tips and tricks for my little nail haul that I got, and how I do it to store them. Okay, so honestly, I have not gotten my nails done at the salon for quite some time now. I have been doing them here at home now. So I have a fetish with the Dollar Tree nails, because my first set I ever did with the Dollar Tree nails, they warranted me 8 full days. I did have two pop-offs. I had one pop-off on the 3rd day, and I had one pop-off on the 4th day. On the 6th day, I actually trimmed them down, and then they lasted a full 8 days, and then I had one that broke. It like chipped, and then I had another one that broke. So then I started to slowly pull them off. So my nails actually lasted 10 days, with the 11th day me actually having to pull the last 4 nails off. I had to get them off, and so now I have none on, and I will be redoing mine. But I just wanted to show you, and mind you, that's for $1. I've been buying mine from the Dollar Tree store. So what I did was I got this bin from the Dollar Tree store, and I got almost all my little products in here. I got the nail polish remover from the dollar store. I got the little pads that I use with the nail polish remover, and the alcohol wipes. So I got those from the Dollar Tree store. I got all of my files and buffers from the Dollar Tree store. And then I started picking up the nails. Now, these are what I'm going to do next for my nails. I am going to do, these are also the little tips, little white tips, but they have the little silver gold band that's separating the nail from the actual tip. And so when I find a pair that I like, I always buy 2 packs because they're $1. So you've got $1, and then I got the second one, you know, so there's 2 packs, because they only give you 12. So you really only have 2 spares. If you pop one off and say it's your thumb and all you have left is like a pinky or something, you have to trim it down. So I always grab 2 packs. So even if your nails last 10 days, you spent $2. I also buy the glue. The glue from the Dollar Tree is also $1. But I saw on another video where they were buying the 2-pack super glue for $1, and they were using this right here. It's super glue. Come on, focus. Oh, I am just having so many camera issues, I swear. Anyhow, so I've got I have these glues up the I have so many of them because they're just like, you get 2 in a pack for $1. But I also have been finding the Kiss glue. Why is my camera not working? I do not know why my camera is malfunctioning. But anyways, so yeah, and so I just keep everything all in here. So I had this idea of how I was going to store my packs of nails, because when you have so many of them, they don't all fit inside this container. So I was like, okay, I got to take these nails out of the packages and find something else to put them in so that they fit. So the first idea I came up with was the 7-day pill pack. So what I had done was put all the nails, it holds anywhere from 2 to 4 packs in each one of these little containers for your Sunday through Monday. So I have all different sorts of nails in here. I have different colors, different shades, different everything. But being from the dollar store, it's awful cheap, and these little things pop up really, really easy. I mean, they just pop right up, and it's like, oops, your nails are just going to fall right out. So I used a headband to put it around there, but then I came up with another idea, which is 1,000 times better. They got these little kits in the hardware section, and so they have 3, 6, you know, they got 10 compartments plus a little area down here. So I was like, well, all them nails go in there, and you got a little spot for your glue, you know. It's like, oh, I wish I would have thought about that sooner. So I picked a couple of these up. I have 5 of these, and so now I will convert all the rest of my nails over. And one more thing too, I found these. I think these were $2 at the Family Dollar, not the Dollar Tree, but at the Family Dollar. So these are 80 nails, but they're plain. So you paint them yourself. So I actually took out 2 sets and fitted them to my fingers and set them up on some 2-way tape and painted them with sparkles. Oh, this is really going to irritate me because my camera is just so horrible. But I painted them with sparkles. And so now I actually have, so now I have a whole set on the floor. Anyways, I have a whole set of those that I pre-painted with the sparkles. So, and that's 80 nails for $2. And the sparkle nail polish that I painted them with was also from the Dollar Tree. So, there you have it.
I want to show them something.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, you changed them up. You did what I said.
That looks good though.
Oh my gosh. Try to get it to focus.
Okay.
So,
Help me out.
there you go. Hold it real still. So you put, this is what her idea was. She put tape. Here you go.
I didn't even have to use tape.
She painted the nail beds with some color and left the white tips.
It looks better in person.
So yeah, the sky's the limit when you have these nails. And if you wash your hair and shower and all that kind of stuff, they still should last at least a week. Gosh, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, just me and Luna will answer them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you answer? You don't like nails, huh? Did you put some pink nail polish on your toenails? She wants no part of that. Anyways, got to go. You guys have a good night. I've blabbed on way too long. Sayonara.